Hey guys, I got my new premium solo. I got the counterfeit grips. I got stock bars, stock stem. I got alienation one wall rim, Kenda contact tires. I got a premium seat and Odyssey plastic PC pedals. You see? Yeah. And I got a Quando hub. I think it actually sounds pretty good. If you want to listen, here. Yeah, and I got the flying cranks here. It's flying. They're chromo. No. And I got a KMC chain. So, yeah. I got a stock sprocket from Premium. And the back rim is alienation too. Yeah. That and the frame, it's a stock premium frame. The fuck? It's a premium solo frame. Solo. The year of the bike is 2012. It's pretty nice. I like it. And the forks are Carmali. I looked on the specs on the bike at premium.com. Oh yeah, and so that's pretty much my YouTube video. Bike check. Bye.